the characteristic equation is A minus lambda I modulus equal to 0. If you apply 1 minus lambda 0 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus lambda 0 0 0 minus 2 equal to 0. If you take determinant, you may get, by using this term, I am going to take a minor of this term. So 1 minus lambda 2 minus lambda into minus 2 minus lambda minus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If you solve, you may get, if you multiply, you may get lambda power 3 minus 4 lambda minus lambda square plus 4 equal to 0. Right? So lambda power 3 minus lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 4 equal to 0 by Haley-Hamilton theorem. You can substitute lambda equal to A. So A power 3 minus A square minus 4A plus 4I equal to 0. My question is, you want to find A power 3 minus A square minus 4A plus 5I. Now try to compare these two expressions. So only if you add I on both sides, you may get the left hand side of the corresponding term. So with the help of this equation, I am going to add I on both sides. So from that I may get A square minus 4A plus 4I plus I equal to I. The left hand side is going to be B, right, which is equal to I. So this is the solution. Consider the matrix and the vectors x1, x2, the number of distinct real values of k for which the equation Ax equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. So we know that in the homogeneous equation has infinite solution if determinant of A is going to be 0. Then only you may get the system of homogeneous equation, you may get an infinite number of solutions. So for that, try to equate this determinant is equal to 0. So from that, you may get k into 2k, k square minus k square equal to 0. If you find the determinant, you may get k power 3 minus 2 k power 3 plus 2k square equal to 0. So minus k power 3 plus 2k square equal to 0. If you take minus k square as a common term, you may get k minus 2 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 and k equal to 2. So number of values of k is, the counting is 2. Suppose that the eigenvalues of a matrix A are 1, 2 and 4. Then the determinant of A inverse of transpose, right? So we know that the determinant of A is 1 into 2 into 4. the product of eigenvalue is the determinant of A. So you make it 8. So we know that A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A, and also determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. So from that you can write A inverse of transpose is nothing but 1 by determinant of A. So you can substitute 1 by 8 as the answer. The eigenvalues of A are 1, minus 1, 3. Eigenvalues of A power 3 minus 3 A square are, simply you can apply this value to A. So from that you may get 1 power 3 minus 3 into 1 power 2 comma minus 1 power 3 minus 3 into minus 1 power 2 comma 3 power 3 minus 3 into 3 power 2. If you simplify, you may get 1 minus 3 comma minus 1 minus 3 comma 0, which is equal to minus 2 comma minus 4 comma 0. So therefore trace of A power 3 minus 3 A square equal to minus 2 minus 4 plus 0 equal to minus 6. In 3 cross 3 matrix P, given that P power 3 equal to P, right? So the given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. This is satisfy the cubic equation. So definitely you can take, suppose the order of the matrix satisfy the same order of a polynomial, means you can take that polynomial should be a characteristic polynomial of the given matrix. So for that, here you can take by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, because order of P is equal to degree of the given polynomial, right? So for that I am going to apply this theorem. From that you may get lambda power 3 equal to lambda power 3 minus lambda equal to 0. If you take lambda as a common, lambda square minus 1 equal to 0, lambda into lambda minus 1, lambda plus 1 equal to 0. You may equating 0, you may get lambda equal to 0 minus 1, 1. So these are the eigenvalues of the matrix P. So the given matrix is given. In that matrix, 0 is an eigenvalues of the given matrix is given. 0 is the eigenvalue. So by property z equal to 0, lambda equal to 0 is an eigenvalue of the matrix A. Definitely you can get determinant of A is equal to 0. So by using this condition, if you find the determinant of this matrix, you may get x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So in the 4 cross 4 matrix, the determinant of A is given and the trace of A is also given. We want to find A minus B. So before that, you can split as a block matrix. So this is of the form. This is of the form A n cross n, B n cross n, 0 n cross n, C n cross n. If you want to find this determinant of this matrix is simply determinant of A into determinant of B. Determinant of B. Right? By using this formula, given determinant of A is 100. If you find out the determinant of this value into determinant of this value. So this is a lower triangular, this is upper triangular matrix. If you want to find the determinant, you may get simply 5A of this matrix. The determinant of this matrix is 2B equal to 100. So 10AB equal to 100. So AB equal to 10. And also given that the trace of A is 14. So if you add the main diagonal element, you may get A plus B plus 7 equal to 14. So A plus B equal to 14 minus 7. A plus B equal to 7. Solving 1 and 2, we get A equal to 5, B equal to 2. So the question is, you want to find modulus A minus B. So A minus B equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So determinant of find the minimum value of the following matrix. So now I am going to find the determinant. Suppose if determinant of A is 0 means definitely the value 0 is one eigen value of A. So if you can take the matrix A. So by using some row-wise linear transformation, it is very easy to reduce the elements. Now I am going to replace R2 by R2 minus R1. So from that you may get 3, 5, 2, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 5. So now try to compare the second and third row. Both are identical. So identical means the determinant of A is 0. So the determinant of A equal to 0 means definitely lambda is equal to 0 is one of the eigen value. This is the minimum value among the 4 options. So here given that n 3 cross 3 matrix, the real entries, all entries are real, and also given that n square equal to 0. That means n square equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? The what is eigenvalues of n square are 0, 0, 0. Right? In this matrix, if you assume lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 or eigen values Then by eigenvalues property, the eigenvalues of n square are lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square, lambda 3 square. Only it's not to square the all eigenvalues. Suppose if you compare equation 1 and 2. So from that you may get lambda 1 square equal to 0, lambda 2 square equal to 0, lambda 3 square equal to 0. So from that you may get lambda 1 equal to 0, lambda 2 equal to 0, lambda 3 equal to 0. Right? So given A x b x equal to b, now I am going to form a augmented matrix 1 1 1 6 1 4 6 20 1 4 lambda mu. Now I am going to apply the row wise transformation. R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R1. So from that I may get 1 1 1 6 1 3 5 14 0. If you subtract, you may get 3 lambda minus 1 mu minus 6. Again try to, by using this concept you have to make this is going to be 0. By using this value try to make this going to be 0. So now I am going to apply R3 implies R3 minus R2. You may get 1 1 1 6 0 3 5 14 0 0 lambda minus 6 mu minus 20. So now we are going to apply to 3 cases. Case 1, if lambda equal to 6, you may get no solution, right? Lambda equal to 6 and mu not equal to 20. Case 2, lambda not equal to 6 for any mu. You may get unique solution. Case 3, if lambda equal to 6, mu equal to 20, then the system has infinite solution.